Hello everyone, Rich here. In this video I am going to show you how to download the Firefox browser without using a browser. Why would you want to do this? Well, if you are in the unfortunate situation where the Internet Explorer browser in your existing Windows is so screwed up that it's unusable to the point where you can't even download an alternative browser, you'll have to do it the FTP way. So that's why I'm showing this to you. Click the Start logo or Windows logo, Microsoft logo, whatever that's called these days, and type CMD. In the Windows XP environment, it would be Start, Run, type CMD, click OK. But in this one, it's just CMD, and click the CMD link up here. Now, the font will look different on your computer. I purposely have my command prompt with a large font so you can see it on this video better. Now the first order of business is to change the local directory to the desktop because we want the downloaded Firefox installer file to go there, which is accomplished by typing cd change directory space shift 5 a %, userprofile user profile, shift 5 again, \, not the front slash, \, desktop. Change directory to desktop on the user profile. Press enter. And there we are. Now we'll go get our installer file. FTP, file transfer protocol, space, ftp.mozilla.org. This is the file transfer protocol site for the Mozilla Foundation, which lovingly provides us with the Firefox browser. How nice of them. Press enter. To log into this server, it is a public server, so we're going to log in anonymously. This has nothing to do with security or privacy. That is how you log in to a public FTP server. It's been that way forever. The username is always anonymous. ANONYMOUS. The password, make up an email address. Even though logging in anonymously, it still requires a password, even if it's made up. I'm going to use the password red@blue.org. You don't see me typing it because it purposely hides it. Press enter, we're logged in. Because it says code 230 login successful. And we will type ls space -l, which will give us a directory listing. Press enter. And the directory we want is pub for public. Change directory cd space pub. Directory successfully changed. We will do another directory listing. You don't have to do the directory listing parts, by the way. I'm showing it to you so you know where I am on this server. ls space -l, and there's a whole bunch of folders here. This is all the projects that Mozilla has. There's Thunderbird, there's Minimo, mobile stuff, the old Firebird, which is what Firefox used to be, and of course Firefox. So we will change directory, and I'm scrolling up and down using my mouse wheel. You can do it this way too if you'd like. cd space Firefox, enter. Directory successfully changed. We'll do another directory listing, ls space -l. Then we go to the releases folder. You don't want to do the nightly, and you don't want to do any of these other ones because those are alphas and betas and are unstable. So we want the official releases, so cd space release says directory successfully changed. Now we'll do another ls space -l, and there's a whole bunch of folders in here. That's okay because there's an easy shortcut. It's just to go latest. So cd space latest, cd space latest. Enter. Directory successfully changed. Can you see a pattern to this? Okay. We'll do another directory listing, and we need to pick our operating environment, which happens to be Windows, so that would be Win32. cd space win32, which means the 32-bit Windows environment, because Firefox does not have, to the best of my knowledge, a 64-bit version of their browser. Not from Mozilla, anyway. If you search the internet, there are people that have compiled 64-bit versions of Firefox, but they're not by Mozilla. Directory successfully changed. ls space dash ls space dash l. And here we have to pick our localization. These are all country codes. The one for the United States, I'm scrolling up so you see this, is EN-US. If you were in the UK, EN-GB, Great Britain. If you were in, what's another one? Where's the one for Germany? Oh, DE. That's German. I believe that's the German. I hope I got that right. You get the idea. You would know which one it is. So for the United States, it's CD space EN-US. And you do have to make sure to get the case right. The US is actually capitalized, as you see right here. So you have to make sure to get that right. Oh, I waited too long. I'm actually glad that happened, because if you wait too long between doing commands, it will automatically kick you off. And that's exactly what just happened, so we'll have to do it again. BYE to go back to the desktop, and ftp.mozilla.org. I'm going to do it again. Anonymous. Make up an email address. Okay. ls dash. I'm going to go much faster this time. Okay, cd pub lsl, cd firefox lsl, cd releases ls-l, cd latest lsl, cd win32, cd en-us lsl. There we are. And the final thing we do before downloading is to change from ASCII transfer to binary. There are two types of transfer: text-based and binary-based. This is a binary. This is not a text file, so we have to type bin, B-I-N. Switching to binary mode. And then, now you could type get and then type in the entire file name, but we're not going to do that because we're lazy. mget, which means multiple get, and then asterisk shift8.exe. Want to get this file? Why, yes, I do, with a Y. Opening binary data mode connection. And you see there's a temporary file, which means it's downloading. And it doesn't show any progress bar of the download. At this point, we just wait. When this changes, oh, there it goes. We're done. Transfer complete. Alright. And there is the installer file for the latest version. At this point, we type BYE, by, back to the desktop, EXIT, exit, enter. Double click, and away we go. We start installing the Firefox browser, and we, I mean, you've done it before, you know how it's done, so everyone's installed Firefox at some point. We'll let that, anyway, that is how it is done. So now you know how to get the browser via FTP. And if you're asking yourself, can you do this with Chrome? At one point you could. I don't even know where it is now. I think you have to be forced to get Chrome with a browser. With Opera, no idea. If you want to post a comment, if you can actually get Opera via FTP, please, like I said, post a comment, be my guest. Firefox, that's the easiest one, because you can go to FTP Mozilla or get the browser, and now we can just run it like I just showed you and just do the thing.